What is good, everyone? Brand new video, brand new haircut. We're looking like 2015 Blade. Brand new room. I just moved house. I'm so excited to record. I finally have like a very comfortable setup. I'm feeling like it's gonna make things a lot easier to sit down and record, more so than it has been in the past. So I just want to focus on making music that I like and just sitting down and recording it, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. So I really appreciate you guys watching, and let's keep going. I like this one. I'm just gonna put like an effect on it. Maybe I'll do it like a native effect. Reverb, magnetic. This is gonna need some VHS mod cassette, you know it. I'm gonna bust this, or whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna chuck this on here. I'm just gonna steal the notes here, put it on a new MIDI track, and then I'll use like a new instrument and it will stand out more. And then it will kind of be like this call and response section.